Hi there, I'm just making a quick video to show you guys how to start your website for your midterm project. You'll be working on this website for your midterm and then you will be adding to it for your final. So what you will do is, the first thing you want to do is go into Google Sites, and right now I'm just on the Google main page and I'm logged in so you can see my options in the right hand corner. If I click on this little box for the Google Apps, I can go right to Google Sites. And I've already created a few sites in the past or have sites shared with me from other people. So ignore those. What you're going to be doing is creating a new site by clicking on this red button that says Create. And you need to be logged into your school account while you're doing this. Okay, you can go with a blank template or you can browse the gallery for more templates. That's kind of up to you. Just to show you, we're going to start with a blank template. And I'm going to name my site. So I'm going to name it with my last name and just the letters EP for Elements and Principles, and we'll see if that works, because if someone else already owns it, then you can't have that site. So we'll try it. I'm going to hit the button for Create. It's thinking. Just give it a minute, and if your name is good, it'll put you through. Okay, so this is my very bare bones, nothing special website now. You can see up here, this is going to be the link that I will give to people when I want them to view my site. So what I'm going to do is play with these two buttons here, the Edit Page and the Create Page buttons. So the main thing we're going to do here, so if I wanted to edit, this is my home page. I can do like a title, and a description there. When I'm done editing a page, I'm going to hit Save. Please note that up here you have choices on your text, your font, colors. You can add links to sites. That'll come in handy later here. You can add a bunch of different things in, okay? And then hit Save when you're all done. So what you guys are going to be doing is adding a page for the Elements of Art. So I clicked on that Add Page button, and I'm going to hit Create. And you're going to see that show up over here now. So this is my new page called Elements of Art. And I'm not going to edit this page right now. I'm going to hit Save. And I'm going to go to Create a New Page here. And this time, I'm going to put this page under Elements of Art. Do you guys see down here at the bottom, where instead of putting it at the top level to be like a big page, I'm going to put it under Elements of Art, so it's going to be a sub-page. So here, I'm going to start by making a page for each of my Elements of Art. So we'll just make a page for line. Okay, so now, somehow I made two pages for line. I'll fix that in a second. Under my Elements of Art page, I have one for line. Somehow I have a second one for line. So I'm going to go into, see if I can remember how to delete a page. Edit page. I'm going to have to look up how to delete a page because I can't remember and I don't want to make our tutorial here go on forever. So on my page for line, what you guys are going to add is you are going to add a definition for the word line. Okay, and then you're going to tell me how line is helpful in a work of art. Okay, and then what you're going to be adding is a picture of your finished product from your line assignment. So you'll go into Upload Images, and the way I got there, sorry, I kind of skipped that. I got there by going to Insert, Image, and I'm going to go to Upload Image, and let's say this Mondrian picture here is my example for line. I'm going to upload that. Okay, it gives you some options for centering your picture or whatever you'd like. Okay, and then underneath my picture, I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to include the date, and I'm going to explain how this work of art used line. Okay, I also am going to have you guys just add your name since it is your work of art there, and that way we know it's yours and not somebody else's. Okay, so that is what you'll do for each of the elements of art. So this is going to be your line page. So the next thing you're going to do then is go to create a new page. Let's say we're doing one for shape. Make sure we put it under, choose a different location here. We want it under the elements of art. Okay, and we will hit create there. So now you'll see it show up under the elements of art as a subpage. Okay, so save that, and if you want you could just go through and add all of your new pages right away. And remember, we need to choose a different location because we want to put it under this Elements of Art tab. And you'll start seeing them show up. Now I know there is a way for me to delete that page. Let's try Manage Site under the options here. Pages, under Elements of Art. Aha! Okay. Click on that line page. That is not what I want. Ah, delete page. There we go. Okay. So you can find a lot of options in that little tab here and under the little sprocket or whatever that is. A lot of different things you can do. Okay, you can get really creative with this and really play with the whole background and add things and change things. So please take some time to explore that. All I wanted to show you was the basics of how to set this up and how to edit it. So you're going to end up with 7 subpages here, one for each of the elements of art that you did for your projects this first half of the semester. Second part of the semester, you're going to be doing this again, but you're going to be making a big page for principles of design and then doing subpages for all the principles of design. So for right now, though, you're just doing your elements projects. So you're adding your definition for each word, telling me how that element is helpful when creating a work of art, and then you're uploading the work of art that you created for that project or for that term, and adding your title, your date, and your name, and then explain how you used line in that work of art. Okay, so you're doing that for every single element of art, so you'll have 7 in total. It will take you some time to do this. Please do not procrastinate, and let me know if you have any questions. Also, keep in mind there's a lot of information out there about how to use Google Sites, so if you do run into something or you're curious about how to do something, go ahead and look it up online and see if you can find some more tutorials or if you can find someone who has some cool tricks or tips for you. Alright, that is it. Have fun making your website.